In today's video, I'll show you how to change folder color on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. As you can see, I have a folder here called subscribe, and the color of this folder is not yellow. It's set to purple, or pink you can call it. Now how I did it, I'm gonna show you exactly that, so just follow me. At first, just go to your search and search for MS Store, and it will open up Microsoft Store for you. And after you're in Microsoft Store, just search for something like folder color. You'll find a bunch of apps over here. Just download anyone with a good rating. Then just click on Get over here, and the app will download and install on your system. And after it does, just click on Open. And from here, it's very simple. After you select the color you want to change the folder to, just select that color. Then just go to the folder that you want to change the color. I want to change the color of this subscribe. So I'll select that and click on Select Folder. As you can see, pick folder subscribe. And then if you go to your desktop, you'll see that the color has been changed. You can try another color for other folders, or you can change the color of this folder again, however we want. So it's very easy, as you can see. And basically, that is how to change folder colors on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.